Welcome to our first video progress report. In this video we demonstrate a way to use the circular Hough transform in order to be able to detect a weld. We're trying to see if we can find the circular marks that are inside of a weld. So in this case we're running an interactive program that looks for the strongest circles, and the theory here is that the strongest circles can be identified because of these distinctive marks that we see on many welds. So knowing exactly where the weld is may be of good interest to us. There are a couple of parameters here which have to be kind of estimated, and right now if we go above 4, let's see, yeah, you can see a stray mark coming in down in here. So there are still blemishes in this approach. It seems to work reasonably well up to a point, and then I think what happens is it tends to break down a bit. For example, here we see some spurious circles coming in when we're looking for 13 circles, and with small variations in speckle, it becomes evident to me, I think, that we need something a little bit higher level, either looking for partial circles or looking for ways in which we can connect various very strong circles. And in this way, I think we can look at adjacency as well as just the overall circular shape. So there's still some kinks to work out in the algorithm. It's not perfect. Other areas, parameters or blemishes, if you like, that have to be tweaked, such as the size of the circle. If the circles are getting way too small, we can start to look for things like speckle, which generally speaking would not be useful for most applications. So I just thought I'd give you an update on what we're up to, and I hope we can continue our work together, and thank you for your attention.